Do you understand English but feel nervous when you try to speak? Maybe you know the words. Maybe you understand the question. But when it is time to answer, your mind suddenly goes blank. You are not alone. Many English learners feel this way. Today, we are going to practice simple sentences that can help you speak English with more confidence. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. I do not need to speak perfect English. I do not need to speak perfect English. I only need to make myself understood. I only need to make myself understood. It is okay to make mistakes. It is okay to make mistakes. Every mistake helps me learn. Every mistake helps me learn. I can take my time. I can take my time. I do not have to answer immediately. I do not have to answer immediately. When someone asks me a question, I can pause for a moment. I can say, "Let me think for a second. Let me think for a second. That is a good question. That is a good question. How can I explain this? How can I explain this?" These simple phrases give me more time to think. They also make me sound calm and natural. Sometimes I do not understand everything someone says. That is okay. I can ask them to repeat it. Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? Could you speak a little more slowly? Could you speak a little more slowly? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? There's nothing wrong with asking for help. Good communication is not about understanding every word. It is about keeping the conversation going. Imagine that you're meeting someone new. They ask, "What do you do?" You do not need to give a long or complicated answer. You can say, "I work in technology." I work in technology. I help solve technical problems. I help solve technical problems. I enjoy my work because I learn something new every day. I enjoy my work because I learn something new every day. Then you can ask, "How about you? How about you?" This simple question keeps the conversation moving. You do not need hundreds of difficult words. You need a few useful sentences that you can say naturally. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. The more you speak, the less afraid you feel. Start with one sentence, then speak another sentence. Do not wait until your English is perfect. Use the English you already know. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and keep going. Now, repeat these final sentences with confidence. I'm learning every day. I am learning every day. I am becoming a better English speaker. I am becoming a better English speaker. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I can speak English with confidence. I can speak English with confidence. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and remember, your English does not have to be perfect. It only has to be spoken. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking. You are improving every day.